Okay, today is August the 2nd, and here's the little boy. He's really active, moving around, and he's going over that way. Over here, there's red female. She's still available, as is the boy. Going around in circles. And there he goes. He's going to go get some water, hopefully. And here's Mochi. Oh, he's just laying there. Come on, Mochi, move around.
I figured, I was trying to think of just names just to call them until they...
Okay, let's see. Put them over by their dog food. This is day 1 that we're going to start weaning them. Put them over by the dog food. See if they start taking it. They're licking the mom's food all the time.
There's some food.
There's one behind you. Yeah, he likes it. There's one behind you. Okay. Let's see. Bring it back close, I guess. There we go. Yeah, they lick the mom's food all the time. But this is the first time out of their whelping pen. So, they're just having to adjust to that part.
Oh, you still don't like your head touched, do you?
Yeah, look at them.
Yeah.
So those two are still up for adoption, everyone. And Mochi, she's laying there.
Mochi. Come here, Mochi.
She always just lays there so far in everything. Every video we've taken so far, she's just laying there.
Mochi. Well, she's comfortable. She's already got a family.
Oh, that's true.
She's
Huh?
like,
She
good.
doesn't have to pose for anybody because she's adopted.
I'm good.
But these two,
Oh, look at you.
yeah, these two are really active. They really are. Look at that. Okay. Wait a minute. Is Mochi moving? Mochi's moving. It's a miracle.
Come on, Mochi.
Come on, there you go.
Over here.
Get down on my knees. Oh, look. It's finally happening. Everybody gets to see it. For the first time ever. Mochi walking around. Ooh, look how straight up her tail is. Look at that.
It's funny, watch them right now in another week.
Oh, look at her. She's wagging her tail. Look at that. There she goes. Yeah. Okay, where's the little boy? There he is. Hey, you.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Who's touching me? Who touched me?
If I get down any lower, I'm not going to be able to stand up. Ah. And there's that girl. She's going to the food. Nope, rats.
Mochi, lay back down again.
Yeah, good old Mochi. Favorite pose. Yeah, come on, do some more. Okay, there's the boy. He's walking around. Oh, he went behind Kathy fast. Boy, he's a mover. He can move. Oh, he's taking it. Nope, not yet. They're still a tiny bit young, but they're drinking the water and licking mom's food.
Hey.